Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera not working in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. After clicking on app management, then scroll down and click on camera and then click on storage usage. After clicking on storage usage, then here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory of your camera, then go back to the main page of your settings and then click on system and update. Now on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset and then click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.